Hello, guys. I hope your family is safe and sound. I feel extremely honored to be a part of this huge festival. I found I finally got a platform where I can discuss my upcoming projects with all you creative heads out there. So, talking a little bit about myself, I am Yash Tatia from Pune, Maharashtra, 20 years old. I was lucky enough to be born in a family full of creative people. Since childhood, I've seen my father telling stories through his paintings, sketches, which eventually inspired me to put my emotions through art and photography too. At a very early age, I started doing photography at nightlife events, which then further led me on the business side of curating themed events, managing, formulating new ideas, etc. So I think as content creation has become one of the most artistic business nowadays. I joined Whistling Woods to explore film business, and since then I've been producing and directing few short films and documentaries. I also did some independent projects in collaboration with Tinder. Did a promo video for VH1 and Shandor, and I've also worked with some of the biggest F&B brands in India. So one of this project which is really close to my heart is Bhayaji in the City. It's a story. It's a comical story of two strugglers. One, it is a story revolving around a 19-year-old Bihari boy who's on a journey of becoming an actor. For that, he lands in a film school in Mumbai. On the other hand, it's his roommate who's a typical partyholic hippie from Pune and who develops a keen interest in his roommate's journey and character and struggles to write a film on him. So their struggle unites to form a question mark in the head of the audience as what future holds for both of them. A perfect blend of nostalgia topped with a lot of drama, never dying friendship, entertainment, and happy tears. So one's dreaming of becoming an actor becomes another's dream of making a film on it. Basically, any twist in one character's story impacts the other character in general. This is how the narrative is built. Okay. If we talk about the target audience of the film, um, whether urban or rural, educated or uneducated, who has dreams to enjoy the best days of the college life, is my target audience. My business plan of action, as Fiki Reports 2020 shows the drastic growth of media, of digital media, by almost 23%, which is the highest amongst all the mediums, and is also expected to show double the growth than film entertainment by 2022. It is only smart to brew fresh and regional content there. Plus, COVID 19 increasing social distancing, putting the social media closer, allowing young and new content creators to showcase their talent. Anybody who can guide me from the beginning, that is script writing to film funding, is welcome, and I will consider myself lucky enough. And thank you once again.